Okay, we all know whether you are designing something or drawing something, you start by drawing a basic shape, then you develop it step by step until it's what you want it to be. So it works the same here inside Cinema 4D. We are provided with basic objects in basic shapes to help us build whatever we want to build. So here we have two objects, Parametric Object and the Polygonal Object. I'm going to show you the difference between these two objects. Okay, so here on the left I have the polygonal object, then the parametric objects here on the right. Okay, the difference that we have here is that the polygonal objects have more capabilities of editing compared to this one, which is the parametric objects. So as we can see here, let me select the polygonal. So here we can control the points, we can control the edges and the surfaces. We can move the surfaces, the points. Okay, let me grab the point. As you can see, we can move the points. We can also move the lines here in whichever direction that we want. Let me undo that. Then if I right click this, we can see that we have so many options that we can do to modify this object that we have. But here in the parametric object, when we right click, we don't have anything to do. Okay, so to create a polygon object, what you need to do is to create your object, then click on this icon, make editable, to convert it from the parametric to polygonal object. Okay, so as well as you can see here, the polygon object has a different icon from this parametric object. Okay, but today we're gonna be focusing on the parametric object and we'll leave the polygonal for the next lesson. So let's go ahead and then delete the polygon object. So here in this cube, there are a few things that we can change, which is the size and then the segments. So to change the size, you can either type in the size that you want, let's say 440, and then press enter. As you can see, it has changed. We can also change the segments right around our cube here. Okay, I've now added two segments on x-axis. So if you don't see your segments on the viewport, just come here and then choose the color shading. Okay, you can also add the segments on the y-axis as well as on the z-axis. Okay, cool. Okay, so let me undo the segments. Okay, we also have the option of the fillet option, which smoothens the edges around the corner, and we can change some few things here, like the fillet radius and the subdivisions, which aligns inside the fillet, which makes the object smooth. Okay, as you can see, if we render, we now have the smooth edges. Okay, but these options differ according to the object that you have. For an example, if we come here and then create a cylinder, we now have different options, e.g. the caps and the slice. So let me go ahead and delete the cube, then position my view to the center, zoom in. Okay, then here I can disable the caps here, and then I can also come over here, then make and then slice this object just like that. I have so many controls that I can do here, but just the basic things. I can also sorry, let me disable that. I can also add the segments of the caps, also the segments of the objects on its own. Okay, and I can also go ahead and make this fillet, which will round the corner edges of my cylinder. Okay, so let me go ahead and delete. As you can see over here, we have so many objects that we can start, that can be used as a startup way of modeling. As you can see, we have the disk, polygon, sphere, and some other few things. So you can just go ahead and then see and start practicing and just change over the properties and see what happens. Okay, so we're gonna end here for today. Then in the next lesson, we're gonna be talking about the polygonal objects. Stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't yet subscribed. Thank you for watching. See you in the next lesson.